What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode on Street Loose. Today we're going to be lowering the Lexus Gs300, my big four-door, big body Lexus car. Rear-wheel drive, 2J NA, nothing too crazy, auto tragic unfortunately, but we are going to be doing this video kind of just to show you that you can modify your car with it being, and make it look pretty decent for under $500. So we're going to be lowering it about 2 inches and doing some interior stuff to it. And then Friday, which I'll make a separate video of, the final video whenever it's done. And then I'll show you what else I get done to it then this weekend. So stick around. We're going to go ahead and start getting the Lexus jacked up and get everything ready to start taking it apart. So stick around. Bye.
The day that you went away.
Car's jacked up on jack stands. Now I gotta get these lug nuts off. Make sure to, if you do not have a gun and air compressor, make sure to break free the lug nuts before you jack it up, obviously. But we're gonna go ahead, get both the wheels off and go ahead and pop the hood as well and get started on any bolts we need to start taking off, and I will update you along the way because I am new to this chassis, so I will show you as I'm going. Alright guys, so after loosening up this lower control arm, top 3 bolts on here, they're all 14 millimeter, and then the bottom one is a 17 on one side and 19 on the other, and then that will all drop down. On the other side, unfortunately, this upper control arm nut is rounded off on the other side, so we need to go to the hardware store and go get a reverse thread socket. So we'll grab one of those real quick and start going on the other side, but for right now we're gonna go ahead and finish up this passenger side so we can get everything buttoned up, then go to the store and go get that socket.
It's all about humanity.
Okay, so next step after getting the shock and spring assembly out, we're going to compress the springs, loosen that nut right there, and then slap on the other lowering springs and get this side buttoned up. Yeet.
It's all about humanity.
Alrighty, now we got this one all ready to go. Everything's all tight. Now we just gotta slap it back into the car and get that side. Well, we'll leave it up for a while, get the wheel back on and everything like that, and then go into town and go get a socket that'll fit this, which is a 17, but this one's like not cross-threaded, but the bolts rounded off a little bit, so I gotta go find a socket to get that off. So I'll be right back and get that off real quick and get this side dropped and get the front done and start with the back. Let's do it. So AutoZone didn't have the shits, so now we are going to O'Reilly's and praying that they have it. If not, I'm gonna drop the car on my head.
I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up.
Okay, so that's not good. And neither is that. Granted, the other side is lifted, so it's, I mean, it might be up like another inch or so. Shit, I think I'm upside down. Oh, anyways, that's not good. That's pretty much exactly where it was. I have been told these springs settle down, or settle after a while for quite a bit. So I'm going to take it through some pretty good roads that I know that'll relax up all the springs. So hopefully that gets lowered more. If not, I'm going to be upset because that sucks. That sucks ass. It's literally like half an inch lower maybe than what it was. Well, this is what you get when you buy cheaper parts. You get this. So I can't be too mad. I didn't spend that much. It looks better. But now hopefully this will save someone else some money. Now after doing this, I definitely would have rather just spent the extra $300 and just got coilovers. But hey, you live and you learn. I was trying to do this just a little bit cheaper so I wouldn't have to raise up the price too much on the car and just keep it at a fair price. And that's what my main goal is. So like I said, tomorrow we're going to do the other front control arms and the interior pieces and finish up the video. But other than that, now this will be the end of the video for tonight. So I will see you guys in the morning. Peace. Alright guys, Lexus is lowered. It's looking alright. Like I said, those springs have quite a bit to settle yet. But I feel like it's going to look pretty good after a week or so of driving. Fitment on it is looking really nice. Everything's looking pretty square. So after this weekend, this car should look a lot cleaner. Man, I'm excited to see what it looks like. All right, let's get to this interior stuff. I'll show you what I got the other day. Don't look at those pistachios, those are mine. Bang! So I got some pretty cool little headrest pillow things. They take like, I want to say like 2 seconds to put on. Hell yeah, that's gonna be nice. So let's let me try and do this one-handed real quick because this does not look hard at all. It's literally just a strap back through here. The leather on it actually doesn't feel too bad. Okay. Oh shit! That's gonna look comfy. That's gonna be super comfy. I can't wait for that. Alright, let me do my side real quick. And then we also got this thingy right here, which I don't really know if I'm gonna use yet or not. But I probably will just because it's gray and it'll match the car. But that'll go up here somewhere. Probably right there. It's going to be the best spot for it. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I also got one more thing. Dang, bro, was that real carbon fiber? So these are for the seat belts. Get those put on real quick too, and then we are done with today's video. I appreciate the hell out of you guys watching this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, I appreciate it. And like I said, definitely give a thumbs up if you guys want to see us in a garage so we stop freezing out here, because this is ridiculous. So that's going to conclude everything. Bryce is finishing up his thermostat. Now he had to drill a couple holes in it so he can get some water flowing through there so it wouldn't overheat anymore. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's only 2 o'clock, so I got the whole day ahead of me, which is awesome. So I can relax for the rest of the day and stop messing with shit boxes. So I will see you guys on the next episode. I appreciate it. I'll post up another video whenever the Lexus is completely done, and just make a cool little video for it or something like that. Maybe a few rollers. And of course, your typical scene boy, little Peep music or something behind it. But we'll see. Like I said, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.